All right, here we go. It is September 17th. It's been 2 weeks since I treated with Formic Pro here. So I haven't messed with them at all. And let's see what they've been up to. So we really didn't get a fall flow so far. So I'm not expecting much, but I'm seeing that's a cricket. So crazy thing this year is these crickets are everywhere. Oops, sorry, you're stinging me trying to get the thing, I know. But anyways, we treated with Formic Pro. It's gonna probably take that treatment out, see how they look, make sure they're clean right. We didn't have any clean issues. Doesn't happen that often with Formic Pro. That's why I like it better than, well, HopGuard I used for the first time this year. But anyways, we're gonna do the honey supers. We're gonna take a peek here, and I'm gonna see what I gotta do, because it's feeding time is right around the corner. So how much do I gotta feed them? Time to figure that out. I know, ladies, I know. Sorry, I was trying not to pop it too hard. Yeah, so today is really overcast, and I got a lot going on today. So I've got a lot going on this weekend. I got 4 farms, and I gotta go to somebody's house. So I got a lot going on this weekend. I can't wait for weather. It stopped raining about a half an hour ago, and to me that's go time. So let's see how the ladies respond. But like I said, this is really going to be about, maybe I'll get a couple frames, I doubt it, but it's going to be about condensing next week, I do believe. See, there's that nice goldenrod honey coming in right there. So see it, nice dark honey, and that's a solid frame. So for the majority of these, my production hives, which I do believe I'm still 32, I think I'm 34. I kept taking, I didn't want to make any more splits, so midsummer I was taking frames from strong hives and giving them to my early splits, which turned into a couple more. So anyways, there's the nectars right there. So top box, so weird this year with the goldenrod, because it's in my backyard. Hold on, ladies, there we go. I'm trying to go easy. That's a nice frame right there. In my backyard, one section, and these are like 50 feet apart. One section's already bloomed and moved on and died, and another section is just blooming right now. So the bees are all over it. All right, so as you can see, like I said, just gauging what we can do. Chances are these are going to be pretty decently full. Come on, girls, move over. And what I'll do is we'll take 2 of the 3 supers off. So they're going to winter with 1 super. So looking at these frames, I'm not far from just taking 2 supers and going, and they'd be set for winter. I still feed no matter what, just to keep them going, because for me here in October, it'll be warm enough for them to fly all over, but there's nothing for them to get. So here we go. Okay, that's empty. So anyways, top box looks pretty good. I'm sure it's probably heavy. There we go. You guys got propolis. It's definitely winter time. So the top box is going to be heavy, I have a feeling. So production hives, I really don't worry too much about feeding. I still feed, but I don't need to pile it on with those hives, because of 3 supers. Chances are I'm going to give them a full box. It's more about just topping them off. That definitely got weight. Yeah. All right. Good job, girls. All right, here we go. So, middle super. This one I kind of expect to be empty. Funny thing is I'm seeing a lot of activity. All right, girls. It's, like I said, the goldenrod that's here, it's all past. It's all brown. So let's see what we're up to. Middle super. Nice and light. A little bit of dark, but not much. What do we do, girls? What did we do? A little bit of nectar right there. Okay. So the other thing I do when I do condense down to one super, like this is nice, that's completely full. That side's not because of the drone brood, but look at that, that's cool. Awesome coloring right there. You can really see it. The yellows, real light yellows, but then you get the dark mixed in. So anyways, so if I have frames that aren't capped, and there's really not much on them, just put them above the inner cover, and they act like it's feed. Look at that, it's beautiful. So they definitely got a lot of feed. Just, I don't know, maybe a couple weeks. Give them a couple more weeks and we can see. Maybe I'll get something out of them. I mean, these are that 1, 2, 3. These are solid. They look really good. I'm actually impressed with those 3 right there. Like I said, it's kind of giving up on the fall flow. That's got a little bit in it. So that's a perfect example. You see here, they got some mixed in here and they got a little bit up top here. So if I put that above the inner cover, they draw it down to the cluster. Going into late summer, early fall. I think fall's next week actually. But anyways, if it's capped, they won't bring it down for the most part. But if it's not capped, they'll bring it down. So you put that above your inner cover, and they'll clean it up and bring it down. So what they're really doing is condensing their cluster. Like this is completely empty. Completely empty on that side. So, feel good. All right, nothing over here. Yeah. All right, so these are empty. So a couple more weeks, I'll have a better idea. Obviously they're bringing some decent amount in to start stuffing 4 solid frames right there. So let's see what's down in the bottom. All the way over, ladies. So they've been busy the 2 weeks I gave them off. Oops. And let's see here. Everything's wet. Wow, you guys really glued that one together. All right, here we go. Bottom super. Super number 3. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. This one's definitely hot for a lot of bee action right in here. Not much over here. So, all right, girls. I know. Today's gonna be. Just curious how you guys gonna be today. So it looks like they're busy. Very busy up here. Try not to snap it. I know. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, definitely bringing it in. So this is the outer frame, and they've got a nice dome. They've actually left the top corners open, and that side's empty. So let's see. Come on, girls. You guys had a couple of nice weeks. Yeah, this is all nectar. So very shiny. You can see it all the way across. And that one's got a little bit of a dome right there. But other than that, that whole top is nice. Good job, ladies. Actually, bringing in some nectar. Same frame here. Same as the last frame here. So nice, domed, still open here, still open here. So the best part of this is when it comes time, He broke a frame. Anyways, best part of this is, look at how busy they are right there. They left that dome section open. Come later in the season, or I would say by October, a couple more weeks, and I start force feeding them, they'll have to fill that. What is it with all the frames that are broken? What are we doing here, ladies? All right, so as you can see, they're lots of nectar. Wow, girls. That's my only question is I don't even know what it could be. The Japanese knotweed, I think it's still going, but we've had a lot of rain, so we'll see. I know the clover's kicked in the back field, so maybe, I'm not. Looks like a last round of clover. All right, so here we are. I'm excited. This is good. I mean, for me, this works out awesome because now it's less I have to feed. Not that I was super worried about these hives, but I mean, I might actually have extra to give to another hive that needs it, so we'll see. But we condense them down to, oh, look at that. Good job, ladies. You guys actually found the flow, huh? Very weird. It takes till what? Second week in September before it finally kicks in. It's not goldenrod. Look at that. There we go. See the nice color patterns? So it's obviously whatever they're bringing in isn't goldenrod, and it's not Japanese knotweed because it's still very clear opposed to the darker. So make sure you're seeing what I'm seeing. But look at this pattern. Like they've made a nice little ball right here. That's open. That's all nectar. So, okay, so that's the end. Looks like the end right there. So now you got 1, 2, 3. 3 frames. They're just starting. Now they're getting testy. Of course, the wind picks up. Yeah, that's open. Open. Yeah, so I'd say a couple more weeks. Let them bring in what they bring in. Maybe I'll get something out of it. I don't know. Like I said, doesn't really matter. The less I take. Hold on, girlfriend. There we go. Going easy. The less I take, the less I gotta feed. All right, completely open. Very busy though. So that's it. So they found a flow somewhere. I have no idea what it is. Now the rooster's back. So anyways, thank you for watching.